Informational, Health, Body, and Relationship, Herbal Cold and Flu, part of our health series. This video is for informational purposes only. Let's start with chamomile herb. Chamomile's health benefits are: helps reduce stress and anxiety, soothes digestion, supports sleep and immune system. Chamomile tea recipe: 1 to 2 teaspoons dried chamomile flowers per cup of hot water. Steep 5 to 7 minutes. Cold and flu soothing tea: 1 cup hot water, 1 teaspoon chamomile, 1 teaspoon honey, squeeze of lemon. Steep, strain, sip warm. Lavender herb. Lavender's health benefits are: calming and sleep support, antimicrobial benefits, helps headaches and stress relief. Lavender relaxing tea recipe: 1 teaspoon dried lavender buds, 1 cup hot water. Steep 3 to 5 minutes. Cold comfort steam: hot water plus 1 teaspoon lavender in bowl. Breathe steam carefully 5 to 10 minutes. Elderberry. Elderberry's health benefits are: strong immune booster, high in antioxidants, helps reduce cold and flu duration. Elderberry syrup recipe. Syrup simple is 1 cup dried elderberries, 3 cups water, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 tablespoons honey. Simmer berries plus cinnamon for 30 minutes. Strain and cool. Mix in honey. Refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Peppermint herb. Peppermint contains antioxidants that can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce pain and swelling. Peppermint tea can help freshen breath and improve oral health. It may have antibacterial and antiviral properties. Some studies suggest that peppermint may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of certain cancers. Peppermint oil has antispasmodic properties that can help relax the muscles in the digestive tract, reducing bloating, gas, and nausea. It can improve digestion by stimulating bile flow and reducing stomach acidity. Peppermint tea recipe. Ingredients: 10 to 15 fresh peppermint leaves and 2 cups of water. Place peppermint leaves in a teapot, add water, and bring to a boil. Steep 5 to 10 minutes. Peppermint oil. Ingredients: 2 cups of fresh peppermint leaves and 1 cup of carrier oil. Allowed to infuse for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking occasionally. Lemon balm herb. Lemon balm health benefits are: improves mood and reduces anxiety. Lemon balm contains compounds that may have antidepressant and anxiolytic effects. Promotes sleep. Lemon balm may help improve sleep quality by increasing levels of the neurotransmitter GABA. Relieves digestive issues. Lemon balm has carminative properties that may help reduce gas, bloating, and indigestion. Boosts cognitive function. Studies suggest that lemon balm may improve memory, focus, and alertness. Antiviral activity. Lemon balm contains antiviral compounds that may help fight cold sores and other viral infections. Antioxidant properties. Lemon balm is rich in antioxidants, which may help protect cells from damage. Reduce inflammation. Lemon balm has anti-inflammatory properties that may help relieve pain and swelling. Improves skin health. Lemon balm is often used in topical treatments for skin conditions such as acne and eczema. Lemon balm herb tea. Recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons dried lemon balm leaves, 1 cup hot water, just the low boiling. Method: place leaves in a cup or tea infuser. Pour hot water over the leaves. Steep 5 to 7 minutes. Strain, sip, and relax. Lemon balm herb tincture. Recipe. Ingredients: fresh lemon balm leaves chopped, 80 to 100 proof vodka or glycerin. Method: fill jar 3/4 with leaves. Cover completely with vodka. Seal jar and shake daily. Store 4 to 6 weeks. Strain into a dark dropper bottle. Thanks for joining us. Subscribe today.